Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We from team PBL Terpel 303. Today we will presentation about our project. So title of our project is the development of a crowdsourcing-based parking data validation platform for an automated parking monitoring system. And our project is a PoliSlot Apps. So we have team contribution. And the first is a Raihan Putra Atmaja as a team leader and a back-end developer. Second is a Alendea Resta Amaira as a business analyst. And the third is a Andri Yani Meuraxa as a front-end developer. And the fourth is a Rafi Ikhwansyah as a back-end developer. And the last, Ardila Dwi Putri as a quality assurance or QA. So this page is general software description. We have three main project goals. And the first is accurate data validation, developing a platform to accurately validate parking availability data. And the second, cross-sourcing methodology utilizing user participation is crowdsourcing as the main source for parking data validation. And then the last, the main different are enhanced trust or via rating or comment tied to validation data, and amenity supporting or providing integrated facility support like motorcycle wash, tire, repair, and service. And we have three main project scope. And the first, interaction limitation. So this is the application server as a data validation platform, not a full-scale automatic parking management system. And the second is a application development. So this is limited to implementing feature as a pair SKPPL. And the last, the scope is the Batam State Polytechnic campus area. So we have application concept. This is a cross-sourcing parking validation platform at Polytechnic Negeri Batam, designed to give students accurate open source information. It works through active user check using comment and rating, with a strong focus on standout user experience. To drive participation and accuracy, it features gamification with point and leaderboard that can be exchanged for campus merchandise rewards. And we have two actor, and the first is administrator. So administrator, the party with full right to manage master data, such as parking location and info board. And second is a user as a validator. So user can register, login, actively participate in parking data validation, and earns reward through the gamification system. So
So this is our use case diagram and ER. This user can register account. Next is user and admin can login. Next, admin can manage data parking. Next, user can see the visualization of area parking. Next is user can validate available slot. Next is user can rating validation. Next, user can give comment. Next, user can see the gamification. Next, admin can manage info board. Next, user can see admin supporting. Next, admin can manage account. Next, user can give feedbacks. Next, user and admin can recovery passport, and the last is user can and admin can log out. And next is ER. In ER we have several table with the attribute and the method. User can manage user with the role admin can manage area user dengan with role user can validate slot. Next is Raihan.
Okay, so this is our server architecture and API. We are using three-tier architecture. We're utilizing a RESTful API for the main communication interface between the client and the server. These are the example of our endpoints. API register for registering new account, login for login into existing account, logout to log out from the application. Next is our application security concept. We use server-side authentication, role-based access control authorization, password hashing, and level 2 password role. Next will be explained by Andri.
Our initial user is Nurdewi Setiani. She is 21 years old, informatics student. She's just like most students here. She rides her motorcycle to campus every day. Dewi constantly struggles to find parking. It's always chaotic and messy, especially when she's running for her morning class. And what she really wants is just want to find an actually free parking spot quickly, and she's happy to help out if she gets something back for it. Based on the frustration, here's our design and the features we prioritize. 1. Core features, empty slot detection and parking location map with real-time availability indicators. 2. Supporting features, comment and validation section where user can confirm or update slot status to improve data accuracy. 3. Engagement features, gamification system including points, ranking, and simple rewards such as campus merchandise to encourage user participation. And last, user interface. The design should be simple, intuitive, and easy to operate for all students, focusing on quick access to the parking search feature. Next. So this is what the user sees right away when they open the application. Screen 1, home. Instant status, we have info board is immediately visible 103 available parking slot. They know the parking situation before they even scroll. Below the welcome message, we have the daily missions. This is where we casually encourage engagement, showing mission like parking validation is a gentle budget to get them to contribute data daily. Screen to mission and leaderboard. This is where they check their scores. They can clearly see their total points and their position on the leaderboard. It is competitive and fun. Under mission list, we detail how to earn points. Look, parking validation give 50 points. These make their contribution valuable and transparent. They know exactly what they get for the effort. Screen 3, campus parking. This is the application centerpiece, the parking finder. We are minimizing friction instead of heavy math. They get clear list. They see that the main building parking only has 3 available slots out of 30. They can instantly decide, I'll go to techno building instead. Next, user can immediately but this button to correct status make the user the mini admin, ensuring the data stay accurate and trustworthy. Screen for rewards, all those hard-earned coins have to be worth something. This is where they spend them. We over applying rewards. This keeps their motivation high, proving that their effort in validation actually pays off. Screen profile. This is standard X management screen. So the user flow is simple. Check status in home weekly, find the solution in campus parking screen, and park and earn point validation. Cash out the benefits. Reward is simple and mutually beneficial. All right, the next slide will be explained by Ardila.
Next is software testing plan. The testing process is carried out concurrently with develop front end and back end to ensure bugs can be fixed promptly. The primary method we have black box testing, and additional method we have white box. The results so far, we have the login, registration, logout, and profile update features are functioning properly and securely. Next testing focus, cure functional, our slot validation and gamification. The next is application performance, our stress test. Okay, the next step in implementation, we have first main implementation phase. We have week 7 to week 10. The backend team finalists the main logic. The next is testing and clean up phase. We have week 11 to week 12. The QA team conduct alpha testing. The last closing and final phase. We have week 13 to week 14. The beta testing or UIT is conducted with the client to verify the usability and readiness of the application. Okay. Okay, that's all the presentation. Thank you for the attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.